Hey y'all, this is Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and on my last videos, my last two videos, I have been making some Thanksgiving dishes to go along with your big old turkey or ham, whatever you have as your debut of your Thanksgiving meal. But today I'm going to share with you one of my children and his wife's favorite little recipe, and that is corn pie. Now we call it corn pie, some people call it corn pudding, corn souffle. We've heard it all kind of which ways, but it's good no matter what you call it. But whenever I first started doing videos, I told all the kids, I was like, y'all send me a list of some things you would like. And this was on my son Daniel and daughter-in-law Taylor's list. So I'm going to show them and everybody how easy it is to put together. They'll see how easy it is and be wondering why I'm so frazzled on Thanksgiving Day, because I've cooked all this stuff. Y'all hear my stove just going off? Oh, it's not my stove. It's my microwave. I had some butter melting. It's reminding me, thank goodness. But anyway, I'm just going to throw this together real quick for y'all and let you see how easy it is. Now, I do have the sniffles or whatever, so if you hear me struggling to breathe or sniffling, you'll know why I've got a sinus infection or some kind of nonsense. It's that time of the year. All right, so I am going to start off with 3 eggs. I'm just going to whisk my little eggs in here. Get that going. I know I should be checking it individually. Got me some nice fresh eggs. All right, got my eggs, and I'm just gonna give them a little whisk. And I'm gonna go right in with that melted butter. Now I have about 3 tablespoons of melted butter in here. Some recipes for this corn pie, corn, whatever you want to call it, just calls for flour and milk and sugar. But I have, for many years, just used some sweetened condensed milk in place of it. Now I have me some milk sitting up here just in case it's a little too thick, I think, and I'll just loosen it up. But I'm going to whisk this butter up. Then we're going to put this flour in here. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of flour. It almost has a consistency, let's see, this is 2. It almost has a consistency of almost like a macaroni and cheese with that egg and with the flour in there. But it is really good. Some people use this as a dessert. You can do it all kind of ways. You can add a little jiffy cornbread to it. I've seen recipes with that in it. Now I'm going with this condensed milk, and it ain't in no hurry, y'all. It's just like blup blup blup. Just go ahead and help this little booger out. And it is going to be a little sweet. I know at work, sometimes on their in the cafeteria, they'll have corn pie, and I'll get so excited that I remember, oh, theirs is not sweet, it's just very savory. But I do like the little sweetness to it. All right, we're going to whisk this up, and this will be really thick. Now, I like using the little frozen, I don't know if y'all have ever used the McKenzie frozen corn that comes in the frozen section, like in the sausage packs. I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like in the packs that you would get like your sausage in, but it's just cream corn, but it's good just by itself. My mother-in-law uses that, and it is delicious. All right, you can use 2 cans of cream corn and a can of the niblets, or I am just using this frozen, that McKenzie, just 1 tub of it, or tube of it, I should say, not a tub. And so we're going to see how this works out. Normally I do the cans, but I said I'm going to try this frozen one. Go figure, I've never done that. So let's just hope for the best. I'm going to go ahead and dump these little niblets. Now I have drained these. They don't have much water in them. And I really like those. They have better flavor to me. Just going to mix this in now. I'm going to put our little mix here in it. And you do add a little salt and pepper, which we'll do that as well. Yummy, yummy. It's looking delicious. Like I said, if it looked like it was going to be too thick, I would just go in with just a little bit of milk, but it looks delicious. It looks perfect. I've been making this for many years for my little ones. They're not so little now. All my babies are grown. Got little ones themselves. All right. I wasn't sure which bowl I was going to use because I didn't want it to be real thin. But I think it'll be good enough in this. I'm just going to give this a little spray. Oh Lord, this thing falls off. I need to just get another one, but it still works. So there's that. All right. Let's just pour this right on in here. And I've got my oven set at 350. And I'm gonna let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. And you want it to be, it's gonna be kind of jiggly when you bring it out, just barely, and just golden brown on top. And that's how you want it. Because, you know, it'll cook a little more once you bring it out too and it sits up. That flour's gonna thicken it up. Those eggs is just gonna make it really good too. So, there it is, y'all. And I'm just going to stick it in the oven and cook it up, and then we'll be back shortly. It'll be real short for you, about 45 minutes to an hour for me, and we will let Russ taste this and see what he thinks of it, because this is another dish, y'all, that he bypasses on Thanksgiving Day. He's looking for that dressing and turkey and ham and all that good stuff. So I'm having just a little bit of fun making dishes that he normally don't eat. So throw this in the oven, and I'll let you know what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I have got this old corn pie out of the oven, corn pudding, whatever you want to call it. It did cook for 50 minutes. I was good about timing it, and everything turned out good. I've already did a little sample. I've already tasted it. It is really good. It will firm up, so I let it sit for about 10 minutes. It was just a little jiggly, but it was brown around the edges, so you know it's time to get it on out of there. So now Russell's gonna come in and give us a little taste test and tell us what he what he really thinks about it, right?
Yeah, you know, look, I'm a professional.
He's a professional.
Yep.
So I know this ain't one of your favorites.
Well, I know, I love corn.
He loves corn. Corn don't love him.
That's right. You know, some things, just like the people that are lactose, you know, they probably love stuff that ain't just got lactose in it.
Yes, yes.
It don't treat my tummy well, corn don't.
No, it's kind of rude.
I can eat cornbread and stuff like that, and it's fine, but corn itself does not do me right most of the time.
No, it doesn't.
I'm going to be an honest taste tester, but I ain't going to be eating the whole pan, I can tell you that. I would have a bellyache tomorrow if that was the case. So,
yep. But anyway, there it is.
Yeah, Dan, you're lucky.
Corn pie.
Corn pie, you're lucky, yeah?
Corn pie.
Corn pie, here we go.
Corn pie, dig on in.
That looks good. I hate that I can't eat a whole lot of corn, all I can think. It's very good. Sweet.
It is. It's sweet. It's got that creamy texture to it.
Yes.
It really is good.
I don't know what else much I can say other than I wish I could eat more of it.
Yep, and I will say, I did say I was going to add a little salt and pepper, and I forgot all about it. But it didn't need it. Truthfully,
No,
it doesn't
really
need it. It really
I
don't.
love black pepper. I eat that.
Yep.
I could add that to anything and eat
Yep.
it.
It's really good without it. Just like I had it, it was good, and it turned out just fine with the frozen. I told y'all before, I had never done it with the frozen, that McKenzie frozen cream corn, but I mean, it turned out just fine. It's good.
It tastes good.
It's real good.
Just as good as fresh corn.
It's good. It really is.
And
And you can use fresh corn and just cut it off the cob. You can do that as well. So
good.
It's good.
You don't want that around your Thanksgiving table.
Yep.
People enjoy it.
It's something we're gonna be having. It's just one of the dishes that we're gonna have on our table.
She literally stays up in this kitchen for 2 days over Thanksgiving, and yeah, it's chaos is the word I would use to describe it. Chaos. It's a chaotic scene.
It is, but it's worth
stuff
it.
everywhere and running around, timers going off, and she loves it. She loves it. I'm convinced.
I love the family part
She
of
does.
it.
She goes above and beyond
do.
and out of her way. She cooks with love. And
I do.
anybody that's ate her cooking would know that she puts love into it. So
I enjoy all my babies and family, and that's what it's really about.
yes. So
Yep.
she likes to make something that everybody enjoys of hers when she cooks. And
Yes, I do.
you know, that's a way that she shows love. And,
Yep.
cook with love.
Cooking with love. That's right.
Yep.
Y'all, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.
Peace.